Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the translator on your ONYX Boox Go 6. So there is a translator on the ONYX Boox devices, and if you want to access it, what you can do is go to the Apps tab and then select the dictionary app, and here press close the keyboard and press on translation. Select that, and here you can translate from any language to any language. You can also select the translate engine. So for example, you can use the Google Translate, Bing Translate, or ONYX's own Translate. And let's test it out. Let's change the word, translate the word apple to a different language. So let's use Spanish. And as you can see, translated apple is properly translated. And that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.